Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Jennie from BLACKPINK with this jump look and dress to impress. Okay, let's get started. This is for the outfit. First of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to make it no bangs and then apply the black color and combine it with this one. You're going to make it black as well and then put on the sunglasses. You're going to make it above hat, and for the color you can make it this gray and gray and black color. And then you're going to put on this t-shirt, okay, this one. And for the t-shirt you're going to make it black and remove the pattern. And then you can add this necklace. You're going to make it queen, and then you're going to do this adjustment. You can follow my adjustment, position, rotate, and then scale to create this queen. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to this location and I'm going to put on this item. And for this one, I'm going to make it white and I'm going to make it thick. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the skirt area. And I'm going to put on this skirt. Okay, and I'm going to go to the dressing room and I'm going to go to the coat item. Oops, sorry, not coat item. You can go to this menu and put on this boot, and you're going to make it all black. Okay, just make it all black like this. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the VIP room. And from this VIP room, I'm going to choose this belt. Okay, done. And I'm going to go to this area and put on this item. And for this item, I'm going to make it no fur. And I'm going to choose toggle 2. And we're going to make it black. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate Jennie from BLACKPINK with this jump look and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!